awesome nature craft.
What are we making, Mommy?
We will be making an easy autumn snow globe.
Wow!
So, are you ready to get started?
Yes! Let's go!
We just love autumn and it's the perfect time to get crafting. So let's have a look at what you will need. Some autumn leaves, brown and white paint with a paintbrush, a glass jar, some baby oil, and a hot glue gun if needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Scrunch up a lot of the leaves. Step 2. Paint a few barren trees on the outside of the jar using the brown paint. Now add a few clouds with the white paint. Did you know snow globes were accidentally invented in the 1900s during an experiment to improve the electric light bulb by an Austrian inventor by the name of Erwin Percy? Step 3. Turn the jar right side up and add the crushed leaf pieces. Now fill the jar with baby oil. Step 4. Seal the lid. If needed, you can glue the lid tightly to the jar. And finally, turn the jar upside down and give it a shake. Wow! This autumn snow globe is amazing!
All done! It looks super cool, right?
The snow globe is so cool!
Well, there you have it, yet another fun nature craft for you to try. Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye!